Few cars in history have achieved legendary status like the 1998 Rover Mini. A car that didn't just define an era, it transcended generations. With its unmistakable compact design, chrome grille, and iconic round headlights, this Mini is the last of the true classics before the modern era took over. Today, we take a closer look at this British masterpiece. Right here in the showroom, the Rover Mini's design remained largely unchanged for 40 years, and for good reason. The 1998 model carried forward the classic look but with subtle upgrades: fuel injection, modern alloy wheels, and improved build quality. At just 3 meters in length, it's one of the smallest cars on the road, but don't let its size fool you. This Mini is all about character, agility, and timeless appeal. Step inside, and you're greeted by a blend of retro charm and modern comfort. Unlike its older siblings, the 1998 Mini received a refined leather interior, a wood veneer dashboard, and a more ergonomic steering wheel. Classic toggle switches give a nostalgic feel, while the single central speedometer stays true to the Mini's minimalist approach. Practical, stylish, and unmistakably British, even though it's small, the Mini provides a surprisingly comfortable ride. This is where vintage design meets modern convenience. Under the hood, the 1998 Rover Mini is powered by a 1.3L fuel-injected engine, producing 63 horsepower. That might not sound like much, but in a car this light, it delivers a go-kart-like driving experience. With a 4-speed manual gearbox, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 11.5 seconds, and legendary front-wheel drive handling, the Mini makes city driving feel like a rally stage. Few cars have left a legacy as strong as the Mini. This 1998 Rover Mini was one of the last of its kind, marking the end of an era before BMW took over and introduced a modern version. Even today, it remains a symbol of fun, affordability, and classic British engineering. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just love timeless cars, the 1998 Rover Mini is a car that will never go out of style, a true automotive icon that proves good things come in small packages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic car content.